Our next leadership development night is going to be happening on the last Wednesday in September, and we're going to be joined by Pastor David Lawrence. So why not sign up today to get the link?
Open the way. The day you gave your life seemed to failure in our eyes, but the stony road away.
It's that time of year again when we get ready to support Operation Christmas Child, which is where we take a hold of a shoebox and we pack it full of gifts and send it to a child in another country who perhaps won't receive any other present this Christmas. I want to invite you to be a part of that. And it's simple, really easy. Anybody can do it. You can get your whole family involved, you can get your children involved, you can get your workplace involved, your colleagues, your friends. Anybody you like can get involved in packing a simple shoebox. But I really want to encourage you to think about how you can get involved. It'd be easy this year to go, oh no, it's too much trouble. But listen, these children still need to receive their boxes. They still need to get that smile put on their faces. In fact, probably more so than ever. So why not think about right now how you can get involved, what you need to do next. You need to go to the website, you need to find a shoebox, you need to start to go to a few shops to buy some things. Listen, if you really don't want to go out of the house, if you really don't want to be bothered to go and get a shoebox, you can actually even pack one online on Operation Christmas Child's website. There are a lot of restrictions at the moment, but here's one thing we can do to make a difference in this world. So please get your world involved, get your friends, get your family involved, and you get involved too.
But the stony road away, as you walk out of that grave, let this place erupt with grace.
We're excited to announce we have a mini devoted conference happening on Saturday the 17th of October from 10 a.m. till 11 a.m. So the theme is Hidden Heroes, where we'll be looking at women in the Bible that we read little about but that made big impact. So why not join us online? See you there.
And this changes everything, because you live, our hope begins. Come on, you sing. Because you live.
Remember, you can now book in online to join us in person at Excel Church for our short Sunday evening services. So you can book each week from 8 p.m. for the following week, but places are limited, so get in fast. You can head to Church Suite or get us at excelchurch.org.uk/Sunday services.
Because you live, our hope begins. Let hope arise. And because you live, our song will never end. No.
So you can join us for a special one-off event where we'll be joined by guest speaker Raj Holness. Now, Raj is a survivor of sexual and domestic abuse and will be sharing her testimony from a Sikh background to how God has transformed her life, and she now helps other people who experience domestic abuse. So you can join us for this event online on Wednesday the 14th of October in the evening at 7:30. So if you would like that link, then you can just find that online and sign up.
Jesus lives, all the earth sing out. The power of death has been broken, and this changes everything.
And that's all for XL News. So if you'd like any more information, then find out information on our website or get us on social media. Have a great week, guys.